Picture this. You're scrolling through your phone at 7 a.m., checking the same apps you've checked every single day, maybe sipping the same cup of coffee, following the same routine you've been stuck in for months or even years. But what if I told you that buried inside those boring, repetitive daily habits is a goldmine waiting to be discovered? What if the very routine that feels like it's draining your soul could actually become the foundation of a thriving side hustle that generates real money while you sleep? Today, we're diving deep into something that will completely transform how you view your everyday life. We're talking about AI mastery and how you can convert those mundane, seemingly worthless activities into profitable ventures that could change your financial future forever. And here's the kicker. You don't need any special skills, massive capital, or years of experience. You need to see your routine through a different lens and leverage the incredible power of artificial intelligence. Let me start by sharing something that might surprise you. Last month, I discovered that a woman named Sarah was earning over $4,000 a month by documenting her morning skincare routine and utilizing AI to optimize her content strategy. Another individual, Marcus, transformed his daily dog walks into a profitable pet care consulting business by leveraging AI-powered market analysis and customer targeting. These aren't isolated cases. These are real people who figured out how to extract value from activities they were already doing every single day. The truth is, we're living in one of the most incredible times in human history for creating income streams. Artificial intelligence has democratized entrepreneurship in ways that previous generations could never have imagined. The barriers that once existed between having an idea and turning it into a profit have been completely obliterated. But here's what most people are missing. They're looking for some revolutionary new concept when the real opportunity is hiding in plain sight within their existing routines. Think about your typical day for a moment. You wake up, maybe you exercise, eat breakfast, commute, work, come home, cook dinner, watch television, scroll through social media, and then go to bed. Rinse and repeat. Most people see this as just life happening to them, but entrepreneurs see this as a treasure map filled with potential income sources. And with AI as your co-pilot, every single one of these activities can be transformed into something profitable. Let's start with the morning routine, as this is when most people have the most energy and focus. Maybe you're someone who makes elaborate breakfasts, or perhaps you're the type who grabs coffee and runs out the door. Either way, there's money to be made here. If you're the type who enjoys an elaborate breakfast, AI can help you create recipe content, meal planning guides, and nutritional optimization programs. You could use AI to analyze trending breakfast topics, identify underserved niches, and create content that positions you as an authority in healthy morning habits. Here's where it gets exciting. AI tools can now analyze your existing breakfast photos and suggest improvements for social media engagement. They can help you write compelling captions, identify the best posting times, and even generate meal plans that align with current health trends. You could package this into digital products, consulting services, or affiliate marketing campaigns for kitchen equipment and health foods. But let's say you're the grab coffee and go type. That's equally valuable. You could document your journey of trying to create better morning habits, and AI can help you turn that struggle into relatable content that resonates with millions of other busy people. AI can help you research quick breakfast solutions, analyze market demand for time-saving morning products, and identify partnership opportunities with brands that serve busy professionals. The key insight here is that AI amplifies whatever you're already doing. It leverages your existing knowledge, experiences, and interests to help you package them in ways that serve others while generating income for you. This isn't about becoming a completely different person or learning entirely new skills. This is about becoming the best, most valuable version of who you already are. Now let's discuss your commute or work situation. If you're driving to work every day, that's potential podcast content, audiobook reviews, or traffic pattern analysis. If you're taking public transportation, you'll gain people-watching insights, urban planning observations, or productivity optimization experiments. If you're working from home, consider these remote work tips, home office optimization strategies, or work-life balance techniques. The magic happens when you combine these everyday observations with AI's analytical power. For example, let's say you notice specific patterns in your commute traffic. You could use AI to research transportation trends, identify pain points that other commuters face, and develop solutions. Perhaps that evolves into a local traffic app, a ride-sharing optimization service, or content that helps others navigate similar challenges. Or maybe you've developed little tricks for staying productive while working from home. AI can help you research the extent of these challenges, identify existing solutions, and pinpoint gaps where your unique approach could benefit others. You could create courses, write articles, or develop apps that address these specific needs. Here's something crucial that most people overlook. Your problems are also other people's problems. The things that frustrate you, the challenges you face, the solutions you've discovered through trial and error, these are incredibly valuable to people who are facing similar situations. AI helps you identify how many people share your challenges, what they're currently doing to solve them, and how you can position your solutions in the marketplace. Let's dive into the evening routine because this is where many money-making opportunities often hide. Maybe you're someone who cooks dinner every night. AI can help you transform those recipes into content, analyze nutritional information, suggest ingredient substitutions, and identify trending flavors or dietary preferences. You could create meal planning services, recipe apps, or partner with grocery delivery companies. Maybe you're someone who watches a lot of television or movies. AI can help you analyze viewing trends, predict what content will become popular, and create review or recommendation systems. You could start an entertainment blog, create prediction algorithms, or develop content curation services for people who feel overwhelmed by all the streaming options available. Or maybe you're the type who spends evenings scrolling social media. Instead of feeling guilty about this time, you could use AI to analyze social media trends, identify emerging influencers, or track viral content patterns. You could offer social media management services, create trend prediction reports, or develop tools that help others optimize their social media presence. The afternoon activities present equally exciting opportunities. If you exercise regularly, AI can help you optimize workout routines, track progress patterns, and identify what motivates different types of people to stay active. You could create fitness apps, personal training programs, or wellness consulting services. If you're someone who runs errands or does household tasks, AI can help you optimize these processes and share that optimization with others. Perhaps you develop apps that streamline grocery shopping, create systems for household management, or offer consulting services to help people make their daily tasks more efficient. The evening wind-down routine is another goldmine. If you read before bed, AI can help you analyze reading patterns, identify trending books, or create book recommendation systems. If you listen to music or podcasts, AI can help you understand your audio preferences, predict trending content, or create curated playlists tailored to different moods or activities. Here's the critical mindset shift. Stop thinking of these activities as just personal habits and start thinking of them as market research. Every time you solve a problem for yourself, you're potentially solving it for thousands or millions of other people. Every time you discover something that works, you're creating intellectual property that could be valuable to others. AI accelerates this process exponentially by helping you understand market size, competition analysis, pricing strategies, and customer acquisition methods. It can help you validate ideas before you invest significant time or money. It can help you optimize your messaging, identify your target audience, and create marketing strategies that actually work. Let me give you a framework for transforming any routine activity into a potential income stream. First, document what you're already doing. Take notes, photos, or videos of your processes to report them effectively. Second, utilize AI to analyze patterns, identify opportunities for improvement, and research market demand. Third, package your insights into valuable content or services. Fourth, test your ideas with small audiences before scaling up. The beauty of this approach is that it's completely authentic to who you are. You're not trying to fake expertise in areas you know nothing about. You're leveraging your existing knowledge and experiences in ways that serve others while generating income for you. This authenticity is incredibly valuable in today's marketplace where people crave genuine connections and real solutions to their problems. AI tools can help you with every step of this process. They can help you brainstorm ideas, conduct market research, create content, optimize for search engines, manage social media, analyze customer feedback, and scale your operations. The technology now exists to support your entrepreneurial journey in ways that were previously impossible. However, what separates successful people from those who merely dream about success is execution. The information I'm sharing with you today is valuable, but it only becomes transformative when you actually implement it. The AI tools I'm mentioning are powerful, but they only work when combined with consistent action and continuous learning. Start small. Select one routine activity and spend this week documenting it differently. Instead of just going through the motions, pay attention to the details. What challenges do you face? What solutions do you discover? What would make this process better, faster, or more enjoyable? Then use AI to research whether other people face similar challenges and what solutions currently exist in the marketplace. Remember, the goal isn't to become an overnight millionaire. The goal is to gradually transform your relationship with your daily routine, from something that happens to you into something that serves your financial goals and creates value for others. This is about building sustainable income streams that align with your lifestyle and interests. The opportunity is massive, and the timing is perfect. AI technology is becoming increasingly accessible every day, but most people still struggle to leverage it effectively. You have the chance to be an early adopter who builds something meaningful while others are still trying to understand what's possible. Your boring routine isn't boring at all. It's a blueprint for financial transformation disguised as everyday life. The only question is whether you will recognize the opportunity and take action, or continue to see your daily habits as just something you have to get through. The choice is entirely yours, but the potential is absolutely real.